Welcome back to RamZland. Today we're going to make sulfur dioxide. Check it out. All you need for this lab is, of course, some sulfur, a little bit of hydrogen peroxide, a torch, some potassium permanganate to catalyze your hydrogen peroxide, and a large flask to see the burning sulfur inside. The first step is to trap some oxygen gas inside your flask. So we're going to take just a little bit of potassium permanganate. We're going to add it to our hydrogen peroxide. The next step is to heat up some sulfur until it starts to glow. Once it starts to burn, then you can add it into your oxygen-rich flask. Now it's ready to add to the oxygen. Look at that immediate glow. Look how bright it is. Isn't that amazing? Sulfur dioxide in RamZland. As sulfur burns, it bonds with oxygen and it creates sulfur dioxide. Of course, if you add water to sulfur dioxide, then you get sulfuric acid. What a beautiful blue flame. Check it out. That is gorgeous.